Hello everyone, welcome to Microsoft Exchange and Exchange online course. My name is Satish Kumar and I'm an IT professional with around 7 years of experience in IT industry. I worked as a help desk engineer, system admin and IT admin with 4 different companies. I'm MCSA with Windows Server 2016 and I'm a trained professional for Microsoft Exchange and Office 365 Exchange online. So let's take a look of this course. So the question may arise into your mind that why we should learn Microsoft Exchange and why it is in particular. So Microsoft Exchange is the world's most popular messaging service with over 70% of market share in on-prem platform and over 40% in Microsoft Office 365 Exchange solution. So it is growing day by day, so you will look and will see this percentage will increase gradually over the year. And the people who have started their careers in Windows administration, they will find the companies using Exchange or Office 365 as their messaging solutions, and they need to have the knowledge to manage it. In case you just wanted to search for the job, you can just find out and you will see that Microsoft Exchange or Office 365 will be listed as a skill to get that job. So what we will learn about this course, so this course basically is the people for who is looking for Windows Server environment and just want to learn basics of Microsoft messaging systems, that is Microsoft Exchange. And this is designed for basic understanding, so we'll not take a deep dive into it, so that if anyone who has basic Windows Server knowledge can understand it, and this will make you capable to work in a live environment. So it's not mandatory that you should have a Windows Server knowledge, but if you have that, it will be a plus point. But if you don't have that, it still will be a thing that you can understand it very easily. And the thing what we are going to learn in this course, so this course is basically divided into 2 parts, where we will learn about Microsoft Exchange on-prem first. So in on-prem we will look into fundamentals of emailing system and the various options we have. After that we will look into Microsoft Exchange and other different solutions. We will take a look of Microsoft Exchange history and what has changed over the time. Understand the basic requirements so that you can install and configure Microsoft Exchange server, and we will take a look of basics of email flow system so that you can understand how the email system works in live environment. And we will take a look with Microsoft Exchange how exactly Microsoft Exchange works. And after that we will take a look of different recipient types, mailboxes, distribution list and all the other related terminologies. Also we will create these things in the live environment so that you can see and how these things can be created in a live environment so that you can manage it. Also we will perform some understanding we will have with the day-to-day task. So what basically a Windows administrator do in the day-to-day life, and what different things they need to manage with Microsoft Exchange. The other part will be for Microsoft 365, where we will learn about different services that we'll get with Microsoft 365. So Microsoft Exchange Online is the primary product of it, so we will keep our focus on Exchange Online to be specific. So we will understand how to set up the Microsoft 365 tenant and how the licensing works. After that we will take a look with Exchange Online working, and how mail flow system works in Microsoft Exchange Online. We will create the users account, we will create distribution list, we will assign the license and all the other things, and we'll take a look of basics of Azure Active Directory as well. We will understand the basics of AD Connect and AD Sync so that we can connect our on-premises Active Directory with Exchange Online, so that you can manage your identity on-prem and your messaging solution online, which is the preferred way with most of the small companies or medium companies. And after that, we will understand the basic mail flow, and we'll perform some troubleshooting which you may encounter on daily basis while you are working as a exchange admin or a help desk admin. After that, we will like once you complete this course, you will have the basic understanding of Microsoft Exchange on-prem and Exchange online. So you will be able to differentiate both of them, and you will have the basic understanding of the basics of both of these things, and you will be able to learn about Microsoft Outlook and email system, so you can help resolving the issues related to Microsoft Office, Office Outlook, and the email systems. We will be able to understand how the Exchange environment work, and you will be able to understand the Exchange environment in your lab, so that you can play with it and you can learn more and more with the time. So within this course, we will help you to set up your Office 365 tenant, and will tell you or guide you how you can set up in future if you want, and to test and perform your learning with it. And we will perform some L1 troubleshooting with this as well, so that you can do the same thing while you are working in a live environment. So once you complete this course, you will be able to handle extra responsibilities which will have Microsoft messaging as a solution. So you can mention that in your resume that you have knowledge of it, so that you can get your job. I'm very much excited, so let's join me on this course and learn together.